Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu tena sana. My name is Auxilia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and I appreciate you. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a sleek low bun inspired by Cheyenne, and I hope you guys do enjoy this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you do like this kind of content, do make sure to tell me down in the comment section. And yeah, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to be undoing my braids that I've had for a week or so basically I'm going to undo the braids and then comb out my hair, and then yeah. Once my hair is all done, I'm going to be using my big tooth comb to comb out my hair, remove the tangles, and yeah, just to be sure everything is good to go. Once that is done, I'm going to use this comb to section out my hair just to have that middle part. Okay, after that is done, I am going to be using my gel toothbrush just to lay my hair, because I don't have the hairbrush, so I'll use this brush to brush my hair downwards and to make it easier for me to apply my gel. So I'm going to be using the Nice and Lovely gel to just lay my hair. Once I've applied the required amount of gel, I'm going to use this brush just to draw back my hair, because I want my hair to be laid down, which means I have to brush it downwards. And then I'm gonna tie my hair using this hairband. And also do make sure to use your fingers or your hands after brushing your hair, which means after you've brushed your hair, you just go down with your fingers, or you follow it with your fingers, just to have that laid back look. And yes, I'm still gonna use the same gel to do my edges and to have my edges look all natural, and everything else I'm just gonna follow the natural pattern of my hair. I'm gonna use my gel toothbrush to do the back part of my hair, and then I'm gonna tie my hair using this scarf just to have my hair laid down the whole day. I'm going to tie it up for 5 to 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the scarf just to confirm whether my hair is dry, and it looks dry, so that is it. I'm going to redo my edges a bit, and then I'm gonna go in with these pins just to make it look cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.